Do people fail job interviews because of ADHD? Yes, sometimes they do. We recently ran a survey where we asked people with ADHD if the condition had ever caused them to fail a job interview. 57% said yes, their ADHD had been the cause of at least one interview going badly. So, why might this be? There are many possible reasons, but let's look at the most common. First of all, a job interview is a close quarters discussion where it can feel like you're being put under the microscope. But because of symptoms like inattention, maintaining focus during high pressure situations is often even harder for people with ADHD. This can cause someone to zone out or draw a blank during an interview, which may make it seem like they lack the knowledge, skills, or interest necessary for the job. Impulsivity can also impact a candidate's performance. They may not take enough time to think answers through and just blurt out the first thing that comes to mind. As a result, their answers may appear less convincing, which can ultimately lower their chances of getting the position. And then there's hyperactivity and talking excessively. Together, these symptoms may prompt the candidate to talk over the interviewer, go off topic, or miss social cues. For instance, that they've given enough information that the interviewer is ready to move on. Imposter syndrome is also quite common in people with ADHD because they're more likely to have dealt with criticism and inconsistent performance in the past. They can often struggle with low self-esteem, which can affect how they showcase their skills and achievements during the interview. If your ADHD has affected your performance during interviews, there are things you can do to improve it. Check out our job interview guide coming soon for tips, strategies, and techniques to help you nail your next job interview. And if you suspect you might have ADHD, but you haven't been formally diagnosed yet, getting assessed can be a helpful first step to take. This way, if you're experiencing any of the symptoms we've talked about here, you can get the expert advice and support you need. Focused, find clarity.